Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Today we've got kind of a surprise unboxing sent to us from a viewer. Not sure what it's going to be. We're going to check it out and just kind of see what we got. So before I get started, I do want to give a quick shout out and thank you to all the channel members. Thank you guys and gals so much. And thank you for anybody who comes in to check out the knife, the EDC content. I appreciate you. I'm humbled and thankful that you come by and check it out. If you are so inclined, if you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it really help me out. So I'm going to take my Amazon unboxing knife and I'm just going to try to see what happens if I just go in right here without trying to dox any info. All right. So guys, this is a little knife that was sent in to check out. I know nothing about it, from a viewer, a buddy of mine in the channel. It has got, it looks like a single belt clip on it. Ooh. An absolute little hunkin' chunk of steel. Look at that, guys. Would you look at that? The little Roughneck. Tops USA. How cool is that little beast? Holy smokes, guys. I was expecting a unique unboxing. Not really sure what to expect. But I promise you, I was not expecting this. As you might suspect, it does cut. It is not going to be as slicey as some of the other knives we have, for reasons kind of as obvious as the blade thickness. Guys, this is excitingly cool. I love the tip. I love the jimping. I love the thickness of the build. Looks like you've got micarta handles here that fit very, very well. I mean, this blade stock, this is a USA made little Roughneck. I'll have to look it up and do a little insight digging. Looks like it has lanyard hole and 3 other brass pass-through holes, mounting pins. This little guy comes in right at 6 1/4 inches, 3-inch blade, 3-inch cutting area. What I wanted to check out was a couple of quick dimensions. Guys, 0.3870. So nearly a 1/2 inch thick, thicker than a 1/4 inch thick. If we look at the top of the bevel here, 0.0465. And then one thing that I was curious of, okay, that can be taken off. So you can mount, if you wanted to mount a clip on the outside, you could. I don't know that you necessarily need to. The retention is great in it. The belt loop, let me stick it on my belt. Works great. So I can see how that, even though it's totally adjustable to scout carry if you want to, might be the way to go. What I want to check is just to see how small this guy was. Ooh, 11.75 ounces, 9.55 ounces on the knife. So guys, I am stoked to be able to share this knife with you. Check it out. See what we think about it. It is an absolute little chunk. It is the little Roughneck by Tops USA. I'm a big fan. I'm really tickled to death that he sent it out to me to check out. He said he thought I'd like it, and he was absolutely right. So guys, this is the Tops Little Roughneck, sent in from a buddy who's also a viewer. Check out, and I will be doing some information gathering on this guy, and I will get back with you and give you guys some more information on it. But that is the Tops Little Roughneck unboxing. Hope you guys found it as entertaining as I did. It surprised me. All I ask, if you're still here, please hit the subscribe button and bell notification icon. But most importantly, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for that guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. And always choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.